You're live. Meeting. There you go. Hello, everyone.
Hello,
This is from Atia channel. My name is Tamfasana
and I
and
am Shriya.
Shreya.
I'm the web designer and program enthusiast.
Yes.
Yes. So today I'll be talking about web designing and Python programming.
Wow, that's something like new to me. I know only YouTube. I know only Instagram, Facebook.
Well, all those come from language,
Exactly.
programming languages
Yeah,
actually.
I know only the outside, the cover, but she's in depth. So she's like, wow.
So what I'm actually learning is about the what you guys see is the front end, what we see from the results of the programming language. But what I'm seeing is on the back end. So today I'm going to be talking about the most basic and starting from the real question. What is programming language? So there's this thing called binary, okay? There's some the computer has a language that all computers can understand, and that is binary. It's a native language to all computers. Now binary language, it's not we humans can't actually translate it. Not everybody knows binary language, very rare. So so what we so we have such thing called as a programming language. It's near to human language. So that is a use of programming language. It is nearer to human language. The binary is near to human language, so we can actually communicate with a computer. So what there's two types of programming languages. There is high level programming language and low level programming languages. Low level is where the programming language is closer to the binary language. Not very common in nowadays world, but it is effective. Now, high level programming language is a programming language which is nearer to human language, more easier to more easier to understand by humans and all. Now, one of these now I know few of these programming languages such as HTML, CSS, and Python. JavaScript, I'm not even a beginner in it. But you see, first I want to talk about web designing. I'm sure you all have seen websites with like for e-commerce apps, for shopping and all that stuff. I'm I'm the web designer. That means I design these kind of websites. I've never actually launched one of my websites on the internet, but I hope that I will one day. So I have created a certain website. It's for Taj Mahal on specialty and much more. The Taj Mahal one is my first website on my own. It's a basic one, but yet everybody say it's quite good.
It is good. Yes, trust me. I was not really aware of this kid, like a talented, a dynamic. When I say baby, she's like, "No, I'm not a baby. I'm a kid." Of course, yes, she's a kid. Yeah, I was quite surprised. Okay, have a matanda. She's from Manipur, by the way, and she's here for how long?
I've been here for 5 years.
5 years.
5 years.
And she's 11 years old ko. Ma hojik chahi 13 sure, do chahi mga sure de doha da base toroga leibase. And of course, like I nahangi ba, like kari from where she started all these things, because my concept of computer is very basic. Yeah, I'm the basic of a computer, and it's just like what you see, what I'm doing, what usually people are doing. But web designing is something like in depth. Ne komana kang ba sinamo. I mean, she has this kind of interest. Masi sigumba the interest level. Of course, karay dige hawak ko na matam because of father. The father is the
And COVID-19 period, okay?
yeah. So the COVID-19, like the two types of people who have really grow inside, they have utilized the periods where we stay inside the house, and there's some people who have lost everything. Siguro mama malay ko. But for her, she really did well, and I so admire the talent she has, the skill, and how she developed ko. So why not? Of course, I mean, ado dugi ay na mayam the exposed kanganing bahay tali that we have such kind of people, such kind of young talented people, and also the capabilities magi young age ta. Like when I was 11 years old, I was running around with marbles hanadana, like nauri kapis hanadana tawiba. But of course, it's a generation the different oiba gisune ko. So you can check out the like, does people can see your website or what you are designing?
Yeah, sure. It's about Taj Mahal and all. I have
Yeah.
it on my other computer.
You have the link which we can paste on somewhere and they can check out later description the link hapayabra or else yeah end of the sessions are we gonna show it.
Yeah, we will add a link and all.
uh,
So let's go into web designing again. So what is there is that I have used two programming languages. I already told you what a programming language is. So I told you two programming languages. These are high level programming languages, okay? I'm not the low level type. I'm the high level programming language. It'll be easier for me to understand as well. So there's the one which I called HTML. I use that one in my website and another one also, CSS. These two programming languages are the ones which are you which I use which I'm using and will use for the websites. It's mostly the website. JavaScript is also used for some of the backend stuff and all. But I'm not the best one. So I do web designing. I design websites to how I want them to look and what kind of content I want in them. So the one about Taj Mahal is entirely based on my creativity. So let's see. HTML. What is HTML? I just told you it's a programming language. But what does it do in web designing? It adds the content to your website. So have you ever wondered how a blank website would look without no programming languages, no inputs, nothing? It will look blank white. Now the websites you usually see are full of content and all. How do we add those content? That's where HTML comes in. We add the content such as image, text, images, videos, audio, and all the types of inputs we want. And that's how HTML is used. It's for the input. It's for all the content we need inside the website we want, in the website we have. Now, where does CSS come in? CSS is how we style the website, how we add the designs and all those stuff to the content. That's where we use CSS. I use CSS largely on my website to make it look more to how to say to make it look more exciting and more interesting and all the other things which pulls the audience closer to what is inside. Then what should I say? Now I'm gonna tell you something more in depth about HTML and CSS. HTML, it's the full form is actually Hypertext Markup Language, and CSS Cascading Style Sheet. Well, style sheet as in to add style. Now moving on to Python programming language. Python programming language is it's the high level programming language. It can be used for making e-commerce apps. It can be also used for many stuff as AI, and all those other kind of things which people usually use a programming language for. So I've also learned about it. I'm a beginner in it, not an expert, not an amateur. I'm a beginner in it. So I know how to create some stuff in Python and all those other stuff. I won't be going into depth. I'm just going to be, I'm just going to be trying to explain, actually, trying to say what will be going on with the with the basics of it. So Python programming language is something everyone can use. It is one of the top languages in the world right now, including JavaScript. It's one of the top languages in the world. So my father thought that maybe since it's a top language, I should also learn it. So I did. I'm a beginner now, and I quite like it. It's good and all. So now that I finished all this stuff, do you have any questions to ask?
yes guys, so we are here again on Instagram as well. If you guys have any questions to ask regarding the language of computer and programming and web designing, you can ask. Please feel free to ask. Miss Shreya is here, the young dynamic talented kid. Not a baby, of course. I just said baby by mistake. Masi Manipur Dengine. So if you want to interact with her, please feel free. You can join here also. By the way, we are doing the YouTube live and also Instagram at the same time. I'm trying to document. Is she a Manipuri? Yes, Masi Manipuri Degene. You talked any oh sila ma'am later may comment. So good evening. Hello, good evening. Yeah, she's from Manipur. She's a Manipuri. Shreya, nangi yung nagsakay, no?
That's it. Pukhrambam.
Pukhrambam. So Shreya Pukhrambam ne. So viewers think that you are like non-Manipuri or from somewhere like other states of
Is
India.
it because of my accent?
Maybe because we are accent. Yeah,
Yeah,
studied here.
maybe because I've been staying here for 5 years.
Yeah,
The accent really slipped through my tongue during the time period.
yeah.
So
So
I rather speak in English than in Manipuri because I've lost some of the practice of speaking it.
yeah. So how you communicate with your parents and at home?
Mostly in English, since my sister only knows how to speak English.
Yeah, she doesn't speak Manipuri at all. She don't understand.
No, she understands. She understands.
Yeah.
She speaks a bit, but the rest is history, I guess.
Okay. Um. Yeah. Somebody saying it, Sagar. It's like kind of relative. Yeah. Also, can you tell us what do you do on your free time? What you like to do?
So what I do on my free time is my programming, actually,
Okay.
web designing, all that. I have, like I said, I already recently built a website for the competition,
Mm-hmm.
Dot Runners Championship. I'm not expecting to win or anything. It's just the part of where I am participating and learning new things. I've learned a lot of new things in building this website, like how to add this and that, and how to add style to this, and many more.
Mm-hmm.
And then about Python programming, I have Python is everywhere. I tell you, Python, it is versatile. It has flexibility to everything. So you can even make your own Alexa, the little bot which chats with you.
The one you showed me now.
Yeah, the one which I showed you a few minutes before.
Yeah.
It can even you can build your own. You can build your own Alexa, just the software one, not the hardware. We can actually hold it. That one in Python very easily. What kind of computer programming are there? What types of computer programming are there? There are many types: JavaScript, HTML, CSS, C++, C Sharp, Python, and etc. There are more and more. From where is from where in Manipur?
You.
Me.
Mm.
So I'm from Kairang. I'm
Kairang,
from
Churachampur.
Champur and Kairao, and then many
Many
more.
more. um,
Financial
so, what do you
freedom.
have to say about this? The financial freedom at such a young age.
I'm more into computer programming than other business things. I don't know what that means.
Anything? Okay. So, what we know about?
I want to know Java programming.
Yeah. You have anything?
There is a difference between JavaScript and Java. The Java is a different type of programming, whereas JavaScript is another type. So Java and JavaScript, yes, you can learn many programming languages as you want. Okay, well, and good.
It's about the address you're talking about, like many more.
Ah.
Hmm.
So what else is there to say?
Yeah. Anything you'd like to say to the younger people? Then
Yes, there's the things. Okay, so programming language, it can be anywhere. You can do programming language from wherever you're sitting at, wherever you are, and
This
all.
is her sister.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, how do you learn the skills?
Well, it's all available in the internet.
Yeah.
I know that most of you don't have internet at your homes, but whenever there is, you don't waste it on YouTube videos and all the
Yeah.
sort. You try to download everything you can of your own interest, which can actually benefit you in your future. So I actually learned it through my father's interest. So he said that since you're at home here and you're just doing nothing, maybe you can learn something more than this. He introduced me to Python programming, and slowly I gradually I increased it to web designing and all that. And what can I say? And when you have this kind of freedom to learn this all stuff. In the olden times, you had to go to a library, to look through it, and then now you have a
Articles,
Google, you have all these kind of
facilities,
browsers and
yeah.
all this other stuff. You can learn it easily. I actually have extra classes for it, but you guys can just go through it, look through it easily, and then you can actually learn something. You can even be greater than me actually. If you can put extra time and effort into it, you can you can you can actually be more skillful. You can become a master at it. It can be your future. It can be your future job. It is something which you can also rely on for the future and all that, like I said. So yeah, Python programming is the
Your
future.
name.
Any kind of programming is the future.
Yeah, say it.
Sar- My name is Sarvika.
Sarvika, she's a future influencer of beauty and yeah,
What else?
model. Yeah, she loved to do makeover, fashions, all the creative stuff.
I've been into programming for 2 to 3 years. You're asking
Since when
me?
she started studying from
Grade 4 or 5.
grade 4, yes.
Yeah, like that.
What about Daddy talks something about? No, Papa should.
She is 6 years old. I am 11 years old.
Yeah.
We both are she's. I don't know difference.
Even myself learning Python. So Sukopuk is the guy you have. So now people started googling about Python.
I hope you guys can learn Python too.
Yeah.
The programming language, all this stuff related to computer, and in the back end of the computer is a future. You won't be now. Now everything is going to computer. Everything's going to be automated. Everything's going to be with computer. Even we are even we are doing surgeries to put in computers into ourselves for medical things and all that. So computer is going to be everywhere, whether it be classical or some other stuff.
Like the metaverse is taking over the world now.
Yeah. What system did you use when you started learning programming? Systems as in computer systems, like that.
It could be probably.
Yeah. So started using this computer,
Yeah.
HP one.
All right. Let me just have a look.
So I used this HP computer.
And also your programming, what you are designing, your basic web page.
Ticket. My basic web page.
Yeah.
Yes. You could see.
What is your ambition in life? Mr. Diparas Oinam is asking.
My ambition in life is not clear yet.
Not clear yet. You're
Yes,
just enjoying.
I have many choices in life right now.
Oh, okay.
I'm currently building up my background in programming, and I can even be an engineer, something scientist, doctor. Doctor, I'm not really a fan of right now. I can also be something with an astronaut. I can be in the control room sitting for waiting for some satellite to launch to Mars or anything like that.
Is it really important to learn or understand the programming or this kind of system as a normal person, even if
At least the basics.
the basics?
Because if going to the future, you can see the technology is progressing faster and faster.
Yeah.
So now almost every one of us in the world knows how to surf the internet.
Yeah.
Exactly the same way you have in the future. You guys have to know the basics of programming,
True. I agree.
because without it you'll be kind of lost in the new world.
Yeah.
And programming is gonna mostly take up some of the jobs here. There was some jobs like delivering and all the stuff. It's going to be taken up by all the bots and all the stuff.
True. It's amazing, right? Yeah. Would you like to show some of your work, new project you're working on? Is this she's participating in competitions right now?
Or
And-
your game.
Yeah. And can you talk about yourself?
Okay.
Introduce yourself, please.
My name is Sarvika.
Savika, not to me. Tell them. People are watching
My
you.
name is Sarvika.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm 6 years old.
Okay.
I'm in grade 1.
Yes. What's your parents doing?
My parents are like mm, looking at the phone, like watching.
Okay,
and
Mama is a former HR. She works for hospitality and the management background from
And my-
Classic Hotel.
Yeah, and my dad worked for airplane, and he drives it.
No, he's not a pilot. He doesn't drive it. Papa is
Safety specialist.
safety specialist in one of the
Okay.
biggest
we're
airline in
ready
the
now.
world. Yes.
I'm not sure whether you can see it clearly here,
Yeah. So
but we're
hold
gonna
it
send a link.
Yeah.
There's a big
Yes,
tower you
Now
can
you work
see.
it. Yes, they can see.
Yeah, so you see, it's in the front. We wrote here Taj Mahal
Mm.
of the Seven Wonders. This is what I gave.
Yeah.
Then
Or maybe
the
you
I
can make
It's
the
too white.
brightness.
It's too white.
Yeah. Okay, here you go. Now can you see?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So now we have wrote here an immense mausoleum. Malos, I don't know how to pronounce it. Of white marble built in. Oh, hit introduction.
Yeah.
And then we have here tabs.
Yeah.
And here we have the tabs here like speciality.
So the
here.
basically
Yeah.
this is the basic webpage of
Basic.
the Taj Mahal. She's participating a project and kind of thing. So the first page, there's a welcome page of the Taj Mahal and there's a description of the Taj Mahal, like few sentences, and then the specialty, the architect, history,
the-
tourisms, and the recent times. When you click these options, and it will guide to the
It'll go-
details, and also it has attached with the video
Videos.
YouTube. Yes.
So you see, we have the
Yeah, if possible, we're gonna attach the link of this site so people
Yeah.
can look for it, right?
Yeah. So over here we can also see this.
Yeah.
We can see this part.
Yeah.
And then over here down at the home page,
Yeah, and also she put the copyright of her name.
you can't use mine.
Yeah.
Without my permission, you can't use mine. Okay. Now we have this link here, home page. There's a link here, home page. Right here, home page. Where you can just click it and go back.
Perfect.
Yeah, copyright is also.
So I asked her how long it does take to build this page, and she said 2 weeks approximately, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
2 to 3 weeks because I didn't work regularly.
Yeah.
I had to go to school
Mhm.
also.
This is literally not like outside of her school studies and everything. This is what she does on her free time, and she learned it from her dad as well. Also, she did some courses, right?
Yes.
Yeah, this is all about her, and yeah, it's good to see such kind of kids. All right, do you guys have share your link? Yeah, they want to
Yeah, okay.
have a look.
You just hold the phone and I'll just copy this, yeah?
She got the attitude. It's a good one. Huh? And what else? I'm going become an architect. There, you can become a visionary.
A visionary?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Also, let me see. Too young but already learned Python programming. Wow. Who is she? Please, can I know? She is Miss Shreya. And if you like to see, that is no longer want to be in the video. So somebody is cooked. Yeah. Well said.
What's your Gmail?
My Gmail, tamlashram26@gmail.com.
You cannot say it.
Gmail.com.
Shreya, we haven't published yet.
Gmail.com.
Yeah. So guys, definitely when she published this site, and
Yeah.
I'm gonna share it. I'm gonna take it. All right, say
Bye.
bye bye here.
Bye.
Yeah, because I cannot handle both sides.
Yeah.
All right, and yeah, Mama is here because if you guys know about the Kevin Krumanipur thing, so she's a Hindi communication mentor. She's
Hello
guiding.
everyone.
Yeah. So people are proud of you, Mama. Yeah, just because of every talented kid has someone in the back. So Mama is the one. Also, that is literally hiding. All right. So Papa is here.
Hi everyone, thank you for the coming to the live show, and we really appreciate Tam for all these works that she has been doing, and thank you Shreya for the hard work.
Hello.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And thank
So
you.
guys, this is kind of your today's motivations. Yeah, they said proud of you all. Thank you everyone. Good to see you. And yeah, let me know if you like to learn or if you want to know about Shreya, and I will try to keep posted and update about her career or what she's been doing.
Keep going.
Keep going. Yes, keep rocking, keep rolling and exploring, keep learning. Oh yeah, the most interesting fact during the pandemic time, she spoke about the pandemic. Also, I mentioned about what she did. She really utilized the time when she was at home. Besides programming, what do you like to do?
Besides programming, there's the hobby of reading.
Yes. What do you read?
Mostly novels.
Novels.
I read this.
Okay.
There's more over there. I read 1,000, like some, I forgot the name actually.
Yes.
And then there's this Veronica by Veronica Roth.
Mm-hmm.
By Veronica Roth. I can't really remember the names. Uh, uh, like something by. Well, let me bring the books.
Wow, this is the future, guys. Yeah, this is all about. I really want people to know this such kind of kid is exists. Okay, and she's Manipuri. It's just because she lived in Qatar, so she's more fluent and comfortable talking
Yeah, with
in
this.
English.
A Legion by Veronica Roth and Anne Frank. The Diary of a Young Girl, and The Kite Runner.
So, what is this about? The Kite Runner is about.
It's like a fictional story about two half brothers.
Okay.
Two half brothers, how they go in life.
Mm-hmm.
This is like a biography or autobiography,
I see.
something like that.
Mm-hmm.
It's the diary of a girl who was a victim of World War II.
I see. Ooh. And
Yeah.
where she's from?
She is once Jews who lived in Holland.
I see.
And then I have another fictional story, a legend. These are fiction,
I see.
except this one,
Perfect.
a legend.
So now you are 6, and do you
6,
have
11.
any kind of interest, like where you want to be based, like after 10 or 10 plus 2, where you want to be studying?
I'm gonna see in the future, because when I find my ambition, what to do in the future, accordingly I will choose a university or a college or whatever place.
Do you have any preference where you want to, or you want to get enrolled?
If I'm going to be in this kind of programming and I
Yeah.
want to become an entrepreneur by myself,
Mm-hmm.
then I will think of going to IIT and some place. I
IIT
think
in
something like-
India.
Yeah,
Perfect.
in India or some place where
Europe.
they possibly can they can possibly be like an IIT in some other places, then I'll go there.
Why IIT?
Because I feel that you have more rate of success there,
Oh,
and also they say that the teachings are good and all that.
okay. Do you have any person you really looking forward to, or you who want to become, like, who's your favorite person, something,
My
your
favorite,
inspiration?
my inspiration would be unsport. Every day I write a quote
If you
here.
take care of minutes, hours will take care of themselves. Whoa, see? Yeah, just people shouldn't stop worrying about future, right? Instead,
If you have started late in your career, don't worry. You still have a lot of time ahead.
yeah.
Even if you're 80 or 90, you still can learn programming. It's not that hard.
Yeah, true. Thank you so much, Miss Shreya.
Thank you.
I love her. Oh my god, I want to be here. Why? Because guys, as you know that I'm doing my precision nutrition, my health and fitness coaching. I'm doing from the past like few months, and I'm like kind of paying a lot of money on the software I'm using, which is not really useful. However, I'm enjoying it. But you know, if I have such kind of person and she can create it, the one that I'm looking, I just need a basic. But people and like expert whatever they are making it so complicated. I want basic, the basic which you are doing it right now. So, yeah, hoping to work together, and yeah, I wish her all the best. All right,
Thank you for having
thank
me here.
you. Say talk something in Manipuri. People would love to see your in Manipuri accents. Kari kari hainingi maintain ronda Manipuri.
Ayun kay Haiming Zay.
Mayam.
Ako'y ze Manipur zu later zu. Ako'y ze programming mina ako'y ze ama hobby se pick up already. Ako'y ze phazana ako'y gi life se ama purpose le kay tawino.
Mm-hmm.
Ako'y ze dum phamaga adum yumda phamaga do jaga tumaga mai layadi.
Will not grow.
Mina di ako'y gi life se meanings like ako'y si commitment leite kay tawino adum hingin do khatang lay.
Yeah. So, ang nagi friends in the kari hainingi.
Never give up. Even
Alright.
if you're a musician or something like that, never give up. If it's your passion, you have to continue.
All right. Perfect. Thank you so much. This is all about today's live.
Bye.
Bye bye. And perfect.